Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to show you how you can enable offline access for folders in CentreStack. This is a very useful feature for users who are traveling and who are always on the go and who may not have internet connection at all times. What this feature does is it downloads the folder into the user's local cache, and user can access the files and folders inside that folder. Users can also make changes into the files, and the changes will stay local until they have their internet connection back. And once they get their internet connection back, all the changes are synced back to the cloud drive. I'm logged in as a tenant admin. I've already created two users, user 1, which has the feature already enabled, and user 2, I will show you how the user will enable offline access for a folder. I'm going to go ahead and select Management Console from the top, select User Manager from the left pane, User Manager again, and add a new user. If I've already created my users, but I want to show you how you can enable offline access. I'm going to select Add a new user. I've already entered information, and under user creation option is where you can enable offline access for all folders for a user. So I'm going to go ahead and just check that to show you how you would enable it, and you will select continue. I've already created my user, so I'm just going to show you my user 1. I'm going to log in as user 1 from another browser. User 1 has these two folders, Azure and Windows. Inside Azure folder, you will see these files. I'm going to log into Windows Client Machine as user 1. And I'm going to show you the two folders here, and I'm going to go ahead and disable my internet connection so I could show you how the feature works. I'm going to go ahead and disable the connection from here. And once it's disabled, on the right corner on the bottom, you should see a message saying that it's offline. As you see now, it says it's offline, syncing is paused. I'm going to go into my Azure folder, select my projects file, and I'm going to enter some text. Test123. I'm going to save it, close the file, and as you see, the icon stays blue because syncing is paused. I'm going to go ahead and enable the internet connection again. And once it's enabled, you'll see that the icon will turn green and it will say it's online and all syncing is all files are synchronized. I go inside the file to see the changes that are synced back. I'm going to close the file. I'm going to go to my web portal. I'm going to show you the user 2 now, who did not have this feature enabled when it was created. I'm logged in as user 2 from another browser, and this user 2 has iOS folder, and these are the files inside. I'm going to log in as user 2 from the Windows Client Machine, and this is how this user will enable the feature. It's going to select the folder, right click to access the context menu, and select Enable Offline Access. And then you'll get this message. It says this folder will be downloaded, and I'm going to go ahead and select yes to continue. And you see the syncing is finished here. And now I'm going to go ahead and disable my internet connection like I did before. And again, you should see the message on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and select a file, and on the bottom you see it says it's offline, syncing is paused. I'm going to type text123. I'm going to save the file. I'm going to close it. As you could see, the icon stays blue because syncing is paused. I'm going to go ahead and enable my internet connection back. And once the internet connection is enabled, you'll see it says it's online, all files synchronized. I'm going to go into the file to show you the changes have been synced and saved successfully. I'm also going to show you from the web portal, user 2. Go ahead into my web portal as user 2. I'm going to go into the iOS folder, select the data reports file to show you the changes have been synced back. And this is how you will enable offline access for folders in CentreStack. Thank you.